welcome to a new video of Outdoor Rye, and today we're gonna do something a little bit different. And today we're gonna go turkey hunting, and hopefully we'll get one, and we'll probably also do some fishing at a little pond out there near our spot. So let's get the ATV and the truck packed up and get ready to go kill a big turkey. So let's go. Okay guys, so we made it to the spot where we're gonna camp. So we're gonna set up the tent and go to bed, and then wake up in the morning and start hunting. So let's set up the tent. Okay guys, welcome to another morning here, but right now we're gonna make some oatmeal, have some breakfast, then we'll hop in the ATV, get it unloaded, then go and find those turkeys. So let's start making oatmeal. Okay, so got the oatmeal poured out. Now we're gonna add some water. Just drinking a little bit of protein shake right now before we go. So I'm just gonna unload the ATV and get going. Okay guys, so we were just driving up in the ATV and we just stopped, took a turn, and wondering if we should go check out some tanks, and then all of a sudden, like only 30 feet away, saw this guy and a couple others, and right there, not too far, and just got the gun out and shot him, and right near the ATV. And all luck, didn't hear them, but we just turned and saw them. I saw them puff up their feathers, and we killed it.
Nice job, Ryan.
Yep. Finally killed a turkey. First turkey ever. So, let's clean it up and
Take some pictures.
yeah, and then go sit home.
Go fishing, maybe.
Yeah, victory fishing.
Yeah. All right. Congratulations, Ryan.
Thanks. Okay, let's get to work. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you kind of like a little reenactment of what we did. And so I'm gonna show you a little reenactment of it here. So this is how it goes. Okay guys, this is the reenactment. So we were basically just driving down the road here, gonna go to Devil's Tank and to check it out, see if there was anything, and then afterwards we were gonna see and check out Elk Tank. So we were driving up, coming up, and then we were walking, and then I was in the passenger seat. It's like, Dad, over there, right there, turkey. And so got the gun out, took it right here when we first saw them, and where I shot him first was like over here, and I shot. He started to run a bit, and he went up, and then he went down right there. Don't know where I really hit him, but I just shot him. So, but killed him. So that's good. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you a bit of the turkey. Pretty heavy, has a nice little beard, not that big, but probably like 6 inches.
Show us the beard.
And
Oh, and the fan, check that out.
nice fan there, and then his beard, it's pretty long.
Yeah, that's probably 8-inch beard, maybe.
8 inch. Okay.
All right, pick up his head. Look how ugly they are.
Yeah.
All right, how about those
Looks like a
spurs?
brain.
How long are the spurs on him?
Not that long.
Not that long? No.
Half an inch.
No, he's not an old bird, but hey, your first gobbler.
Yep.
Congratulations, Ryan.
Got the
Pick
job
him up.
done.
Yeah, check that out. Look up.
Yep. Okay guys, so now we're back at camp and we're gonna do some fishing now. I'll go to a little tank close around and go fish around there. So let's go in the ATV and get the poles in, the tackle box, and the other poles. So let's get in and start going. Okay guys, we got to the pond now, and so gonna get the fishing poles ready and start to go fishing. So let's get our lines ready and start catching some fish. Oh, I got one.
Ooh, big fish award right here.
Yep.
Wow, check out that monster. Ooh, pretty little guy. See the little one.
Yeah.
All right. All right,
There he
catch
goes.
another.
Okay guys, didn't have that much luck here, so gonna put away the poles and go somewhere. We don't know where we're going, but we're gonna go somewhere else. So don't know if we'll still be fishing, but who knows. Let's go. Okay guys, so now we got back from the tank and now we're gonna just pack up camp and go somewhere else. So don't know what we're really gonna do though, but this is probably gonna be the end. I said there's a lizard right there. Yeah, so we're gonna just do something, don't really know what, but I'm gonna pack up camp, move out, go somewhere where there's service, and tell people that killed a turkey. And so let's start packing up camp. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, go check out some of my other videos on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers before July 1st. It's coming up soon, so you better be clicking that button. So go down, click the subscribe button, really helps me out a lot, and thanks for watching. Bye.